All right, guys, we are back with another one. Welcome to Common Sense Laurent'e the Don. Happy Monday, y'all. Yesterday was Mother's Day. Shout out to all the good mothers and even the bad ones too. But look, I didn't really have enough time to get on here yesterday. I was dealing with a lot. But I've been up all night doing CFPB complaints and FTC complaints. And remember a couple months ago when I mentioned this, I told y'all the power of using the CFPB in your favor. And the reason why, reason I'm coming back to this is because I had a lot of people say, you know, they filed the complaint, they didn't respond, or they responded and it wasn't the response that they thought they would have got. But I want you guys to fret not. The reason why I'm telling you to do the CFPB complaints is because that serves and acts as your correspondence. It's okay if they don't respond. Silence is acquiescence. So by them not responding, they kind of already sealed the deal for themselves. But reason being, once you exhaust all correspondence, meaning like you tried to call them, you tried to email, reach out to the merchant, reach out to the creditor, whoever that it may be, and they have not responded, how can you prove that you even did that? You know, we do the U.S. certified mail, which I always recommend that. Well, I encourage that. It's not even a recommendation. You need to do that because the whole point is covering your tail. And a lot of the stuff before you receive anything, you will have to spend maybe up to like $200-300, and that's not including filing fees. It is $402 to file in federal court. So before y'all think y'all gonna get all these $1,000 and $1,000 for the claims and all the violations that they did to you, you may have to spend a rack just preparing your case. But if you do it the simple way, you can do it yourself. You won't have to pay any lawyer fees. You can file all this stuff, and then once you do win in court, or they settle out, which is always the goal, and probably 8 times out of 10, they will settle in arbitration. And that's the whole point. You have your proof, you have your proof of contract, you have your proof of correspondence. So I wasn't able to get on here yesterday. Been trying to drop at least 2 per day, and I can't guarantee that right now because I'm back working, I got the baby and all of that, but I'm gonna get back on like I used to. And I just want y'all to fret now because I had a lot of emails about that, and some people was in the Patreon sent me like, you know, they did it and, you know, nothing happened. And that's the thing. It's not an overnight thing. It's not a magic letter. I give out the templates, and I even hate the word template because you really need to make it unique to your situation. So a lot of that stuff you might have to take out, fill in, put the company name, put your name, or whatever that you may need to do. But this is a journey, guys. It may take you 3 months before you see remedy because we are already at the point. But don't give up. If you give up, hey, it's just on you. But if you stick with the plan, you will receive the same kind of things that I've received. So just giving you guys an update. And it's been Common Sense Laurent'e the Don. I am out. Try to give y'all another one later on, but like I said, can't guarantee it. Holla.
Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch me get money. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch me get money. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch me get money. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch me get money. Watch me, watch this, I stay on a mission. And I've been up on the grind, all my winners consecutive. I got business in your city, know that sweet be.
What's good, Mafia? Welcome back to the channel. You are now